Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Tech Tricks here, and we are here today to unbox the D brand grip for iPhone 10. And I would like to say that this box is amazing, and also comes with this camo skin for iPhone 10. And let's open it up. Here we go. First thing you want to see here is the D brand logo. They have their own card. They give you this illustration. It says D brand grip is just the beginning. Means maybe there's more coming. It's nice, soft. Ooh, this is nice. Spongy kind of thing in the middle. The grip is really stuck in there. There we go. The grip itself has a rubbery feeling with trim on the sides that makes you feel like you'll never let go of your iPhone again. No more replacing that screen, huh? Let's put that on the side. Here, let's take a look at more of this grip. I like to try it on my iPhone here. It's nice to see a new face on D brand. They used to do just a bunch of skins before. Now they have their own grip, which I waited for so long. This is nice to see that they're doing this now. Here's my iPhone. It shows the D brand skin leather on the back. Here we go. Let's put it on. Easy as that. And as you can see here, it's really nice grip. It shows off your D brand skin on the back. They use a D30 technology for the bumpers. It protects from drops. This D brand grip will protect you for all the elements. It has revolutionary grip, carbon composite. It's nice on the hand. As you can see, you can use the side button easily. The volume button's a little bit harder to use. The up and down, you really have to grip it so that you can click the buttons. Although you can easily toggle the ringer and silent. Really feels good in the hand, this case. Okay, now let me show you how to actually install it. This is a lot easier to install than the Rhino Shield grip. It's just you pop it on one side and it doesn't really matter how you pop it in. It's really easy. It's really in there though. Your iPhone is not gonna come out. Now let's do the grip test. It won't slide down even on a certain angle. Now let's do the front side of it. So you can see it's pretty good. That's why they call it the grip. I've taken some photos and literature on what it actually looks like, so you can have it up close. Just take a look at it. Here we go. Hey, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace. Oh man, let's just go back to this. This is way better. I'll probably just keep this rather than the grip. Thanks, D brand.